So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on your Binance application. So to find your own wallet address in your Binance application, it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is go to your wallets, go to spot or funding where you want your assets to be. So here in deposit, press deposit and search for the coin that we want the wallet address on. So let's just do Bitcoin for now. So let's just search up Bitcoin for now and then let's use that. So you have to choose your network accordingly, and then here you have your wallet address. It's just that simple. So as you can see right here, I have my wallet address ready to be sent to someone so that I can receive it. So you can also do this to transfer from wallet to wallet and send crypto to your own wallet or others. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.